I wanna be there when the people start to turn it around, when they triumph over poverty. I wanna be there when the people win the battle against AIDS. I wanna lend a hand. I wanna be there for the alcoholic. I wanna be there for the drug addict. I wanna be there for the victims of violence and abuse. I wanna lend a hand. Send me to Mamina, to Mamina, to Mamina, as he said, Mizoya, Itanaze, to Mamina, to Mamina, to Mamina, as he said, Mizoya, Itanaze.
Coming from a history of church planting, I found myself frustrated around 2014 to 2016 with my inability to do effective ministry, to do church planting across racial and socioeconomic barriers.
It was because I was interested in further theological study, but also I was interested in how other denominational leaders do mission.
After 5 years in the congregation, I did some reflection and I came to the conclusion that after all of the teaching, all of the preaching and all of the workshops for the leadership, we were not going really anywhere.
I really had this desire to be able to help guide a congregation to a whole new dimension, to be a congregation that understands and embodies its deepest identity as being a sent congregation to participate in what God is doing in the world.
And living in a city that is so polarized, so divided socially and racially, it really hit me bad. I knew that this is something that the Lord is inviting me into, but I was unable to do that.
Ek het ingeskryf vir hierdie MTH kursus omdat ek lui is. Wat dalk 'n bietjie counterintuitive klink, maar ek het definitief 'n bietjie eksterne motivering nodig gehad om te lees. En hierdie kursus het my gedwing om weier te lees as wat ek sou en selfs ook weier as wat my gemaksone is.
I was surrounded by the ecumenical front of all other churches and pastors. We learned together, we reasoned together, we journeyed together. We did not agree on all the points, but there was one commonality that we have. And each one of us had a desire to learn of what does it mean to participate within this missional discourse of where God is actually calling us.
The greatest skills that I think that I acquired in these 2.5 years was really my ability to discern God. First of all, inside with reflective practices, just to discern what the Lord is doing in me. It gives me such a sense of companionship, the comfort of walking with the Lord, with the Lord being with me, of being loved by God and discerning what God is doing on the inside of me.
This program opens one's mind to the different views from different denominations, but also that the focus should not be on yourself but on God and the congregation, and how to motivate them to become givers and receivers of grace.
If I need to evaluate when I was finished with the course of the 2 years and how I've started, I would say I've grown tremendously. I've built partnerships and connections and friends beyond the parameters of my own denomination. And all of us on the ecumenical front speaks about how this missional God have called us to make a difference together.
It was absolutely eye-opening, wonderful, transformative in my life. The ability to study with others from various different traditions was great. A 2-year program where we met 3 times a year for 2 weeks at a time, built real relationships with us, and we got to know one another and love one another and learn with one another.
Die een groot ding wat ek geleer het, is dat as ons die kerk, en in my geval spesifiek die NG Kerk, in sy binnekant wil help, dan sal ons moet fokus op wat buite die kerk aangaan. Ons sal missionaal moet dink.
I was really transformed into someone being a missional partner with God. I was formed into someone who thinks of myself and who sees myself as someone loved by God and invited into ministry. Someone who walks with the Lord in ministry. Someone who doesn't do ministry for the Lord or works for the church, but someone who is a missional partner with God. That's really how I think of myself.
The understanding that God is on a mission, and He is just inviting the congregation and me to join Him in His mission. It lifted a heavy burden of being asked to be the Messiah from my shoulders.
I have learned that the issues outside is a reflection of the issues inside. The program has incrementally enhanced my ability to discern lines of connection between societal challenges and toxic thought patterns.
To really become a minister that sort of works yourself out of a job, to be able to more and more stand back and allow the Spirit to work with people, to empower the leaders that have been gifted with all of the gifts that are required, because God calls every congregation, but God also gives every congregation all of the gifts, all of the people, the embodied gifts that is required to fulfill the calling of God for that specific congregation.
En die groot troos, en dit is dalk iets wat ek moes geweet het, maar net weer aan herinner is in hierdie kursus, wat ek ontvang het, is dat dit nie van my afhang. Wat ek moet doen is om uit te kyk daar waar God reeds besig is, en dikwels is dit buite die grense van die tradisionele kerk soos wat ons dit ken, en bloot net in te skakel by dit waarmee hy klaar besig is.
I have acquired tools that would enable individuals and groups to connect with the future that is already within themselves.
One of the greatest things that I've learned is always to look at the flow of the river and where we as the church is of how we preach that river. And sometimes the preach are on a dry ground, and the flow of the river have changed its direction, its flow, and even the force of how the water is flowing. And I actually realized that if I have not come on this course, that I would have been serving and doing things that is not contextual, that is not relevant, and that is not meaningful in the context and this course of where we find ourselves today.
I think that the MTH program provides one with a theory and with the necessary tools to embark as a minister and as a congregation on a life-changing journey, joining God in His mission.
If you are one of those ministers that are exhausted, possibly burnt out, because you are the person that everybody turns to do everything to solve all of the problems, that's the one thing. This is a course for you. It will help you to understand yourself as only one of the gifts in a congregation that had been especially trained and gifted to do something very specific.
I recommend that this program be part of every Christian's toolbox, because what is needed today is leadership from all the disciples of Christ, more especially missional leadership that will enable you to participate in the redemptive work that God is already busy with in communities, and making your own unique contribution in service to the fullness of life.
So if you're considering it, I really want to encourage you to go ahead, to sign up. You will not regret it. It is a fabulous way in which to learn and to grow.
I really trust that you will consider joining this program, and I pray that you will be blessed in a way that I was blessed in it, for God's sake.
I want to encourage you to say, come along, come and see, come and taste, that when you are done with this course, that your life and your ministry will never be the same again. I'm looking forward to seeing you on this course. God bless you.
Hey,